Hello everyone. First, understand why do we need singular versus plural nouns at the first place. So, we need to learn singular and plural noun because in our daily life we often talk about one thing or more than one thing. If we use the wrong form of singular versus plural nouns, then our sentence may sound incorrect. For example, we do not say two book, we say two books. We are adding an extra s to understand there are more than one books. So this is why the singular versus plural nouns are needed. Okay. Now let's understand what does a singular noun means and plural noun means. A singular noun means one person, one place, one thing, or one animal. And plural noun means more than one person, more than one place, more than one thing, or more than one animal are there. Okay. Now look at this table. There are some examples of singular nouns: book, apple, boy, car, dog. And there are some examples of plural nouns that are more than one noun. So we are saying books, apples, boys, cars, and dogs. We are adding an extra s here to understand that there are more than one books. To understand there are more than one apples are there. So adding an extra s, we can understand it now better by hearing or seeing a sentence that there is more than one nouns are there. Okay. Now rule 1. Most nouns become plural by adding s. For example, cat. Cat is a singular noun. When we adding an extra s, that means that cat becomes more than one cat. Now, when we say pencil, we are imagining that there is only one pencil are there. But when we are saying pencils, we are automatically understanding that there are more than one pencils are there. Okay. So in the second rule, let us understand that not all nouns becomes plural by adding only s. There are exceptions. When we think that a word is ending with ch, sh, s, x, or o, we add es to meaning that that is a plural. We add es to extra to meaning that there is more than one. When the noun is ending with ch, sh, s, x, or o. For example, there is box. When it becomes plural, we are adding es to the box. Boxes. Bus become buses. Tomato becomes tomatoes. Watch becomes watches. Brush becomes brushes. Okay. When a word ends with y, okay, if the noun ends with a consonant y, we add ies to make it plural. So baby, in the last we are seeing an y, so we add ies to make it plural. So baby becomes babies, party becomes parties, and puppy become puppies. Whenever we are seeing there is a consonant at the end of the noun, we are adding is to make it plural. Okay. Now, rule number 4. So there are many irregular plurals. What does it mean? It means that these plurals doesn't irregular plurals. These plurals doesn't follow the normative things we have learned till now. Like if we the word sentence with y, we adding is. If the sentence add with ch, sh, as, x, and we are adding es. And normal nouns we are adding just s in most nouns. But here we are not going with a normative form of this. So these are irregulars. We need to remember them to understand. These words are special. Like man becomes man, woman becomes woman, foot becomes feet, mouse becomes mice, person becomes people. A child, in the plural form, it becomes children, and fish remains same in the plural form, fish. So there is another rule which is change f or fe to ves. Some nouns end with f or fe. For example, knife. So we add bes and in the end of the it. Some with, for example, life. Life ends with lives. Wolf ends with bes and extra ves in the plural form. And there are also exceptions, which are roofs, chiefs, chef becomes chefs, village, cliffs. Okay, these are the exceptions of the rule number 4. Now let's practice. So what is the plural form of dog? It's dogs. Now, what is the plural form of mouse? Can you guess? It's mice. It's irregular form. What is the plural form of fish? Same, fish. What is the plural form of box? Boxes. Right? Okay. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.